Yeah, we're just gonna sit here and let him cross the road. Oh my, I think he's coming towards us. Oh, oh God.
Okay, you can go now.
Oh my God. Hey, when you got an itch, you gotta scratch it. Oh.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
Hi, I'm Susan.
Together we love to travel.
The saying goes, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade.
Well, 2020 dealt us the biggest lemon of all.
Instead of being sourpusses about it, we made the best lemonade ever.
An epic road trip!
So here are the upper falls, and look at that rainbow that's being created from the mist and the falls. Spectacular. Wow, those waterfalls have been amazing, beautiful this morning because the light is just hitting it just perfect. So we have one more stop we're going to do on the North Rim. We went there last night, but we figure we need to go back to get the morning shot. And oh my gosh, the bison were so cool. We agree, that is the highlight of Yellowstone, was the bison.
Yep.
Sorry, Old Faithful, the bison won. So here's a little bit more of the North Rim Drive. Since we came here last night, pretty much right before sunset, it was a little hard to see with the shadows, but...
And the sun right in our face around the corner.
Yeah, exactly. So, North Rim Drive. It's very beautiful. It is a one-way. You have to enter it from the Loop Road, just south of Canyon Village, and it dumps you back into Canyon Village when you are done. So we are on the Loop Road heading from Canyon Village to the Norris Glacier Basin. Deer out in the field there. Man, I hate to leave. It's so gorgeous today. So we didn't have a chance to go to the Norris Geyser because of time, but we're here at the Norris Geyser Overlook. So that way you can get a breathtaking view of its enormity. Susan, are you making friends? The lake is so clear you can see the bottom over there. Another beautiful lake out there. Another geyser right there. Stuff like that on the open face mountain. There's a bison up on the hill over there. Just past it. Okay, so on the far left over here we have Tribulite Point. In the middle, Mount Holmes. Then Dome Mountain. Next one is Quadrant Mountain. As we come around, we have Electric Peak. And then Spectacular Mountain. And out in front of us is Swan Lake, and there's even a swan on Swan Lake. Pretty impressive. Whoa, we're on a bridge over a cliff. I don't like heights. Wow. So we're getting into the Mammoth area now. We're gonna loop around unless Susan wants to pull into this pullout.
Now we'll loop around.
Okay.
So we're here at Mammoth Springs.
Yeah.
And it is a sight to see.
We are on the Beaver Creek Trail. We have Liberty Cap here. It's a hot spring cone, one of the unique few here in Yellowstone. There's Liberty Cap again, and you see the water running off from the Pallet Springs Love the colors. It's amazing. The great part here is Devil's Thumb. And you can see the water coming off the top there.
So there are billions of heat-loving microorganisms on this called thermophiles. Some thrive in the sunlight, but some thrive on the actual minerals in here in the hydrogen sulfide. So it's pretty cool.
And this is Pallet Spring. Well, except for the gate out of the park, that's it, folks, for Yellowstone. It's been a great visit.
Can't wait to come back someday.
Definitely can't wait to come back. It has been spectacular. Probably
Can't throw enough adjectives in there, probably.
you know, with over 100 bison that we've seen over the last 2 days, you know, easily 50 plus elk and all the other wildlife. Unfortunately, no bears or moose, but it has been a spectacular visit. Okay, so we're going through the Mammoth area here at Yellowstone. This is the north entrance. You get to this one from Livingston, Montana. We're using it to exit the park and then head up to I-90. This has gas, food, visitor center, and all that.
So this is the visitor center here at the north entrance. Horace M. Albright Visitor Center. Of course, it is closed, but this is also known as Fort Yellowstone, and it is a National Historic Landmark.
Oh, this area is for Yellowstone.
This area is for Yellowstone. Sorry. Pretty cool. Right in here between the buildings, see some elk. There they are.
Female.
Some females relaxing in the shade, munching on grass.
So here at the Mammoth area, we have the mail carrier cabin, and this was used to help facilitate the traversing of mail through the park. Really cool to see, really cool. So we're going to be dropping down to the Gardner River from the Mammoth area. And then be quickly exiting Yellowstone National Park. So we just crossed the 45th parallel of latitude, which is halfway between the equator and the North Pole. So we're here at the Roosevelt Arch. It says at the very top, for the benefit and enjoyment of the people. Yellowstone National Park, created by an act of Congress, March 1st, 1872. It is spectacular. Our visit here to Yellowstone is absolutely phenomenal. And we can't wait till we come back. So we are at the north gate of Yellowstone National Park, just passed under the arch. And that means we are headed north into Montana. So welcome back to Montana. Woo! And off to I-90 we go. So here's Gardner, Montana, at the gate of the north entrance, and oh my gosh, there's an elk on the sidewalk.
Oh, he's drinking, or she's drinking the water.
She's drinking some water, but she's on the sidewalk. But she's not wearing a mask. But she is social distancing.